with a 2x. Look at that. Look at that. All right, let's go. Lightning Storm is waiting for us. Yeah, absolutely. All right, let's go. All right, everybody, welcome to Lightning Storm, the Lightning Storm bonus round. Welcome. So we got a multiply 2x from the top slot, so we have to double it up. So decision time's yours, everybody. Which one? The first one, second one, and the third one. Which one are you taking? Which one's gonna be yours? That is your decision now. The first one. 30, 40, and 20 for you over here on this one. And that makes, what does it make? That makes a 90x. Okay, what about the second one? $3,220, 250. Ooh! Wow, you guys. Okay, third one, let's go. $60 and a 20. That makes an 80x for the third one. All right. See you back at the wheel, everybody.